My name is Daniel Mall. I'm the president of Christian Friends International, which was previously known as Adventist Friends International, but many people thought some discriminatory ideation that we only help Adventist people, which was not true. So lately we've changed into Christian Friends International, which has been registered in state of California since 26 years, and it's a non-profit organization, and we have an IRS number which we give a receipt to our donors. Though we come to America, but our hearts are still back home in Pakistan, thinking about our families, relatives, those who are very poor, how to help them. That's the only reason, only one goal which we have, that we are helping poor children, those who cannot help themselves. We have 125 children in Karachi taking nursing. Some of them they are in Gujranwala. It's a privilege that we are working for God. It's a very noble job which we have it. I keep my staff, my board members intact with the reality of life back home with Christianity. We would like to continue this job forever and ever. And I am so thankful that I can talk about Christian Friends International tonight with you. Thank you.